Listen up, all you foodies out there. Think white food tastes the best? Or are foods in darker shades your jam?
Round one.
Let's battle this out, shall we?
Fight.
Is that an earthquake?
Uh-oh.
I can't win a fight like this. Ah!
We're going down!
Ready for round one? What kind of drink is this anyway? What's with this super fancy straw? Maybe you should just open yours.
Okay. Well, I'm still just as confused. I want to give this thing a try.
I can't tell where it ends or it begins. Let's see here.
Seriously, Ellie?
At least I tried.
Let me fix this mess for you. That looks way better. See this end here? Stick it into your beverage and watch the straw go to work. And we have contact. I think I get it now.
It's coming. I can see it. Yum.
What just happened?
Gah!
What is it? Ellie, those drinks really went to our heads. Sipping from crazy straws. This'll fix you right up. Just a spritz or two should do it. Wow, thanks, Doc. Think this stuff really works?
Only one way to find out. Whoa, that was weird. Me again. Your turn.
Gah! Oh, feels like my face. This stuff's awesome.
Let's do this.
You smell anything?
Whatever it is, I think it's rotten. You can go first, dude.
Yep, that's a plate of onions, all right. Yeah, let's see yours.
Okay. It's aged garlic. How old is this thing anyway? Oh, that's nasty.
Oh yeah, I still have onions. Oh, gross. Here goes nothing. Oh man, this is worse than I thought.
My eyes are watering just watching.
It burns.
I'm suddenly very nervous. This isn't gonna kill me, right? Here I go. It's actually kind of delicious. It's a really cool flavor. What's that?
I don't know.
The energy's weird in here.
Who are you?
I'm here to steal your souls.
Uh-oh!
Ah!
Is that garlic and onion?
No!
Is he gone?
Well, that sure was a close call.
This stinky food saved our butts.
Let's stock up. You ready for this?
I can't quite see what it is.
Your guess is as good as mine.
Do we dare?
They're chips.
Mine look cool. Sounds like a full batch.
Oh yeah, mine are nice and pale. Look at this beauty. It's a flavor explosion. This is my new favorite flavor.
I hope mine are just as yummy. Let's see. I've never seen black chips before. Think they taste as good as they look? Let's find out. Ooh, they've got a smoky flavor.
Oh, come on.
These are great! Huh?
My stupid hand's too big for this thing.
Well, I guess I'll show you my trick. See this paper? Fold it in half hot dog style. Now, give me that can. Slide the paper in and pull those chips right out.
Oh, you're a chip wizard, Ellie. Oh, how I missed you.
Works like a charm, right?
Oh, I can eat these things forever.
Here we go!
You've got to be kidding me. Oh, this burger looks perfect. But that one's out of this world. Hey, want to do a little switcheroo? I know. You can just have 2 burgers.
Oh yeah? Let me just figure this out here. Get there faster. How many buns would it take? Yep, sounds like an even trade now.
I'm gonna rip this thing apart. It's the most gorgeous burger I've ever seen.
Juicy, huh? Now I'm really excited for mine. Going in for the big bite. Yep, this is fantastic. Matt!
What?
You look just like me!
Quick, switch them back. Chew faster. Come on.
Thank goodness it worked.
Oh man, I did not like those tattoos. Ready? You go first, Ellie.
Hello, candy straws. These sure look interesting. You think they're sweet? They look more like worms than anything. Look at that thing go. You and your weak stomach. It could be a little sweeter. Okay, a lot sweeter. Oh, why don't you open yours now?
Okay, mine look the same, but in white. These look pretty good, actually. They really are like worms. I have the best idea.
Yeah?
Don't let go, Ellie. Let's see how far this thing stretches.
Okay.
Just passing through. Cool picture. Sorry, I'll just be a second. I think it'll go a little further. Come on. Whoa! That's gonna leave a bruise.
You're kind of on my side here. Much better. So, what's next? Can I go first this time? Ooh! I've definitely had soy sauce before, but I have nothing to put it on. I know! Hold on.
I'll just open mine, I guess. A giant bottle of milk? Seems fresh. Yep, definitely 2%. Wait, I know what to do. Only animals drink out of the bottle. Wonder how much calcium's in here.
Okay, I'm ready for my soy sauce. Could this meal be any better? Sushi and soy sauce just go together. Let's get dipping, shall we? Come here, little guy. Let it really soak in there. That is perfect salty goodness. Ah!
Meow.
This is bad. Is that doctor still around? Think
Think you'd like to take the white versus black food challenge? Which foods would you not eat under any circumstances? That aged garlic looked pretty intense. Hey, don't forget to share this video with your friends. Have you watched these yet? Make sure you never miss out on our videos by subscribing to our YouTube channel.